What up, y'all? It's your man Sam Ant here at Viral Hip Hop News. Definitely appreciate y'all coming on this video this evening. Happy holiday season to each and every one of you. Whatever holiday you may celebrate. If you don't celebrate any, hope you're enjoying the kids at home. Hopefully enjoying a little bit of a break as we enter 2025, leaving 2024 behind. It's been one hell of a year. It's been very fast, and we are here. We're going to talk a little Jay-Z real quick. Judge dropped some decisions in his ongoing situation in the case with the 13-year-old girl back in 2000 or so. But before we do that, let's get a word real quick from our sponsor.
Now listen to what I gotta say. Sarah!
This trying to rape me!
Okay, so today's lesson is about Black Wall Street.
Come on out, boy!
Okay, class. Let's exit in orderly fashion. Come on.
I ain't done yet!
Okay, so today's lesson is about Black Wall Street.
Watch now on Tranquil.
Want a live interview with Viral Hip Hop News? Email me, Sam Ant, at dlsmediainc1@gmail.com. Let's go. Tranquil Inferno. Hit the link in the description box. It is right below right now to check that out. And obviously, if you want to be part of Artist Spotlight, go ahead and email me. But we'll talk about that a little later. Let's talk about Jay-Z real quick. Let me go ahead and pull up Jay-Z article. As you guys can see, the judge says woman accusing Jay-Z and Diddy Combs of raping her at age 13 can proceed anonymously. Now, I'm going to read the article on my phone as you guys can see the picture right there. Now, it says, in a written order, Judge Analisa Torres also chastised the lawyer representing Jay-Z for what she described as his combative motions and inflammatory language against the plaintiff's lawyer, calling them inappropriate. An Alabama woman who says she was raped by Jay-Z and Diddy when she was 13 can proceed anonymously for now in her lawsuit against the rap moguls, a judge ruled Thursday. Now, the Manhattan jurist said the woman can proceed anonymously at this early stage of litigation, but she may be required to reveal her identity at a later date if the case proceeds. That would allow defense lawyers to collect facts necessary to prepare for trial. Torres also cited substantial interest from the public. Combs remains, I do not want to donate, thank you. Combs remains jailed in New York awaiting criminal trial on a federal sex trafficking charge. He also faces a wave of assault lawsuits, many of which were filed by the plaintiff's attorney, Tony Busby. We know about Tony Busby. The lawsuits allege many individuals were abused at parties in New York. Yada, yada, yada. We know that situation. We're talking more so about Diddy. Now, if you remember this woman now, this alleged young lady at the time, she did an interview with CNN, and a lot of what she was saying in the initial indictment, I don't even want to call it an indictment, and I'm sorry for using inappropriate terminology for this, but in the initial charge, dude, with the documents that we read, said that she was 13, said that she was driven from a party 5 hours away to New York, going to the MTV or BET Music Awards, Video Music Awards, found Diddy's lawyer, or goddamn, not lawyer, found Diddy's driver, one of Diddy's people, got in the car, got driven to the party, all this crazy shit. She went on CNN, and a lot of that stuff was kind of debunked. I'm going to play a small clip of that if you don't remember that, and then I'll come back. Let's go.
Like you live your life in a shatterproof juggle ball. The world's on fire. The fire is inside the ball with you, but there's no way for you to get out.
In addition to having autism, the woman says she suffered a head injury. The night of the 2000s VMAs, she says a friend drove her from Rochester, New York to Manhattan, a more than 5-hour drive. Her attorney provided NBC News with the name of the friend who has since died. The woman says she spoke to Combs's limo driver, who offered her a ride to an after party.
I stumbled upon Diddy's driver, who told me that I was exactly what Diddy was looking for.
What did you think when he said that to you?
I thought it meant that I was just pretty.
She went to a White House, she says, where she spoke to musicians Benji Madden and his brother.
I'm talking to Benji Madden about his tattoo because, you know, I have about his tattoo that's the Last Supper, because I have a religious background, so it was just something to talk about.
In a statement to NBC News, a representative of the Maddens confirmed that they did not attend the 2000 VMAs and that they were on tour in the Midwest at the time.
All right, and there's video after or countless alleged statements that she made that was debunked, and it was NBC News. I apologize, not CNN. CNN had the other weird bull on. There's been a couple people coming on and saying very weird things in interviews with major publications to kind of make you look at these situations kind of sideways. But for now, that woman right there, her identity will remain behind closed doors, will remain Jane Doe, and I'm not mad at it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not mad at it. I'm not in a rush to see who this woman is, because to be perfectly honest with you, I think she's lying. I think she's lying. I think she's looking for attention. And in this situation right now, because Jay-Z is so offensive in what he's doing, I think that it's helping him out in the court of public opinion. Now, there's some people out there who have Jay-Z dead to right. He is who he is. And this is just the beginning stages of exposing who Jay-Z is as a person, regardless. You know what I'm saying? Whether he did this or not, these are the stepping stones. He is this person anyway. But there's others who care about facts and care about whether or not things are true or not, and don't really have a horse in the race, just care to see the truth come to light. And I like to think that I'm one of the people, no matter how much I enjoy Jay-Z's music and respect his hustle as a black man in America, being able to go from hip hop, go from, you know, I mean, the street game to hip hop to entrepreneurial billionaire status. I respect the hustle. I mean, how can you not? I don't know that man as an individual. I don't know that man personally. I don't know the skeletons from his closet. I don't know who he is as a person. If he did some disgusting things and vile things to people that he's close to, if he's had illegitimate children, that's something that he has to take up between himself, them children, and God. I have no really any opinion about it. You know what I mean? I hope those people find peace, but if it's not illegal, I have no opinion about it. If he were in fact doing something illegal, and he was in fact doing something that was breaking the law, harming children, doing anything below the statute of limitations or illegal limits when it comes to age, got a problem with that. And that needs to be exposed. If in fact he did do things, I wish they were exposed earlier on. It would have helped the situation quite a bit. Now we're sitting here 20, 30 years later. And if truth can come to light, allow it to come to light. But we shall see. If he's innocent, we're going to move forward and continue to be innocent. And I'm going to look at Jay-Z just as the same as I always have. So I really just hope that truth could come to light. I hope the people that need to seek the truth and find the truth do. And that's just my opinion on it, man. And I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Sam Ant, CEO of Viral Hip Hop News, wanted to come on here and do a quick video rather than set up thumbnails and different pictures and all that. Rather just go ahead and put my mug on the screen, show my Commanders gear off, coming off a, you know what I mean, nice little dub, and giving y'all the news that way. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Sam Ant, CEO of the brand Viral Hip Hop News. Hey, I got the Sam I Am Viral podcast. You can find that on all podcast networks, as well as my IG. You can find me on IG. Let me pull that up real quick as well. Where are you at? At Sam I Am Viral. You can check me out at Sam I Am Viral as well. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Like I said, go check out the podcast, Sam I Am Viral podcast. If you want to be a guest on the podcast, a guest on the show, I should say, come email me, dlsmediainc1@gmail.com. If you're an entrepreneur, if you're a musician, if you're an artist, whatever you would like to showcase here, email me, dlsmediainc1@gmail.com, and I will let you know how. We got a dope interview with my man Zook tomorrow, 8 p.m. live on Viral Hip Hop News. Y'all stay tuned for that. I appreciate y'all. Till next time, till next story. Sam Ant, CEO of the brand Viral Hip Hop News. I love each and every one of y'all. Love yourselves, and I'm out of here, man. Deuces.